Today's video regarding HPNY 5070 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges. Now the first step is to switch on the printer, and once printer is on, we just open the ink cartridge chamber door. So you place your hand on the one side and lift this whole chamber, and you will see the ink cartridge chamber will move and come here. Now go to the so it's very easy to take out these ink cartridges. So it's simply, there is a lock, you just have to push it and it will put the cartridges out. Now take the new cartridges and install them one by one. This printer uses ink cartridge number 65. So place the black here, slide it under the lock and close it. Do it same for the color. So just place it here, slide it in and lock it. So once we install, we just have to push the ink cartridge chamber door down and hold it with the hand and let it close. Now go to the display panel of this printer. So on the display panel you can simply see the ink cartridges are installed properly or not. So go and click on the ink icon, and here it says the estimated level of ink, and just click OK. So this way we can install the ink cartridges and replace them, and we are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.